Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Newsbee. I am Elvina Nicholas.
And I am Abhinav Kejo.
Moving into international news headlines. Global hunger toll soars by 150 million as COVID and Ukraine war make their mark. Boris Johnson quit as UK Prime Minister, dragged down by scandals. China lashes out at US. British Intelligence Service.
Japan makes online insults punishable by 1 year in prison after TV star's death. 3 TMC workers killed in Bengal's South 24 Parganas. Shinzo Abe, Japan former Prime Minister, assassinated while giving speech.
With world in energy shock, Saudi Arabia oil cushion gets very thin. In Tanzania, karate classes imbues Uyghur people with albinism. Food insecurity hits rich countries amid inflation.
Sri Lankan Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe willing to resign, make way for all-party government. Elon Musk says he is terminating $44 billion Twitter deal. At least 14 dead in a mass shooting at a bar in Soweto, South Africa.
Ongoing civil strike further cripples everyday life in Lebanon. Putin to visit Tehran for Raisi Erdogan summit.
Moving on to national news, Sender extends deadline for finalizing Western Ghats Environment Safeguard by another year. Athlete P.T. Usha, music maestro Ilayaraja nominated to Rajya Sabha. Heavy rains bring life in Mumbai to standstill.
Cut edible oil price up to rupees 10 per litre, Senda. KFON gets operational permission from Senda. Uddhav Thackeray demands for midterm poll. Says no one can grab Sena's bow and arrow symbol.
Delhi High Court allows urgent listing of Vivo's plea challenging freezing of banking accounts by ED. President Ramnath Kovind greets citizens on eve of Eid al-Azha. Amarnath Yatra floods, 15 bodies recovered so far. 35 injured, airlifted for treatment.
Adani confirms entry in telecom spectrum for private network. CBI files corruption case against Delhi Jal Board NBCC officials. National Herald case. ED asks Sonia Gandhi to appear before it on July 21st.
Press polls. 16 Shiv Sena MPs tell Uddhav Thackeray to support Draupadi Murmu. India set to overtake China as world's most populous country next year.
Kerala's cultural minister Saji Cheriyan resigns over anti-constitutional remark. Heavy rain continues in Kerala. IMD sounds yellow alert in 11 districts in Monday and Sunday. Major reshuffles in top brass of Kerala police. Manoj Ibrahim as new vigilance ADGP.
Coming to local news, buffer zones. Kerala Assembly passes unanimous resolution to exclude populated areas from eco-sensitive zones. Kerala High Court asked state to explain action taken against tourist buses that flouted rules. Tribal youth shot dead by hunters in Idukki.
VC blamed for Kerala Agricultural University's fall from grace. Kerala takes sponsorship route to eradicate extreme poverty. 87 out of 100 Keralites uses internet connection. Only Delhi ahead of state.
That's all for today. Abhinav Kejo
And Elvina Nicholas
signing off.